Craving crispy fries without the guilt? Want to whip up restaurant-worthy wings without drowning them in oil? Then step into the air fryer revolution, folks, because 2024 is serving up some seriously hot contenders. But with so many models out there, choosing the right air fryer can feel like navigating a minefield of buttons and presets. Fear not, fry fanatics, Review Palace is here to be your culinary compass. We'll be dropping those AliExpress links so you can snag these bad boys at the best prices possible. Because who doesn't love a good deal, right? So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to get cooking. Get ready to discover the air fryer that's perfect for you, your wallet, and your taste buds. Let's fry. First up on the list is the Cosori Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. This 12-in-1 convection oven countertop beauty is not just stainless steel sleek, it's also packing some serious smart features. With the ability to toast, bake, broil, roast, and of course, air fry, it's a versatile kitchen companion. The 6-slice toast capacity is a game changer for those busy mornings. And did I mention the smart features? This bad boy is equipped with mentioned specific smart features like smartphone app integration, voice control, etc., making it a futuristic addition to your kitchen. Now let's turn our attention to the Chefman 6-quart dual basket air fryer oven. Not only does it come with a generous 6-quart capacity, but the dual basket design and easy view windows make multitasking a breeze. One unique feature that caught our eye is the sync finish. It ensures that all your dishes are ready to be served at the same time, no more juggling multiple timers. And with high fry technology, get ready for that perfect crispy texture without compromising on flavor. We have the MIUI Air Fryer 5L. This electric hot fryer oven is designed for those who want a family-sized cooking solution. With a generous 5-liter capacity, it's perfect for preparing meals for the whole family. What sets the MIUI apart is its user-friendly touch control interface. Adjusting the temperature and cooking time is a breeze. The non-stick basket ensures easy cleaning, and the visible window lets you keep an eye on your food as it cooks. Now let's shift our focus to the Ninja SFP701. This is not just an air fryer, it's an all-in-one multi-cooker, oven, and air fryer rolled into one. With an impressive 14-in-1 functionality, it's like having a kitchen wizard at your disposal. What caught our attention is the promise of 15-minute complete meals. The Ninja SFP701 comes equipped with 3 accessories, making it a versatile tool for various cooking styles. Whether you're air frying, baking, roasting, or more, this multi-cooker has you covered. The Crownful Smart Air Fryer boasts an impressive 10.6-quart capacity. It's perfect for those family gatherings or when you're hosting a dinner party. But what sets it apart is the smart functionality. Yes, you heard it right. It's Wi-Fi enabled. With the Crownful app, you can control and monitor your cooking remotely. Imagine preheating your oven on your way home from work, or adjusting the temperature while you're entertaining guests in another room. The future of cooking is here. Whoa, did those fries just blow your mind? Well, that's the power of a great air fryer. Remember, finding the perfect one depends on your needs and budget. So, smash that like button, subscribe for more kitchen gadget goodness, and leave a comment telling us which air fryer feature makes you drool. And don't forget, hit those AliExpress links in the description for sizzling deals on all these bad boys. Let's get cooking.